Hello friends, how are you? Again, I am with the Hindu newspaper, and this article is published in November 21, 2016, with caption Rising Dollar, Falling Rupee. Donald Trump's surprise win in the US presidential election has lent the dollar new wing. Lend means दे दिए हैं, give. New wings. It has soared against most currencies. Soared means उड़ना, हाई ऊपर जो होना, सबसे आगे निकल रहा है. Soared, growing. Including the rupee on the expectation that his economic policy will spur growth. Spur means encourage growth and inflation in the world's largest economy. The prospect means asa, anticipation, expectation. So the prospect of the Federal Reserve raising interest rate provided an updraft that helped the dollar extend a record appreciating streak. Raising interest rates provided an updraft. Updraft means encourage, can say upward current or हवा का झोंका, that have the dollar extend a record appreciating streak. Streak means एक रेखा against the euro last week and pushed the rupee past 68 to a dollar. In congressional testimony means गवाही, और इंग्लिश में a formal written or spoken statement is testimony. Last week, Fed Chair Janet Yellen signaled that the central bank was close to a decision to raise rates again. Some economists predict US GDP growth could see appreciable acceleration in 2070. Appreciable means अच्छा वाला, तारीफ करने लायक. Acceleration 2017, with one projection positing even a doubling of the pace by fourth quarter. If the new administration delivers on some of its promises, including tax cuts, deregulations, and infrastructure spendings, in fact, with a Republican majority in both the House of Representatives and the Senate, Mr. Trump could benefit from smoother congressional backing for policy initiative, backing and support for policy initiatives to boost economic activity. US stocks and bonds have also reflected the optimism. Optimism means positive outlook. बोले तो आशावाद over the outlook for US growth and prospects. Prospect means anticipation, आशा, that increased fiscal spending will help reflate the economy. Reflate means expand the economy, increase भी. With the SP 500 index adding gains for the second straight week, बना दो यार, week, and benchmark bond yields climbing in anticipation of faster inflation. Anticipation means बता दिया था, anticipation means आशा. For the rupee, which has slumped धड़ाम से तेजी से गिरना 2.3% from 66.6 to $8 close on November 8, the flight of capital from emerging market assets has inflicted significant pressure. Inflicted means देना. Pressure that has been exacerbated by the center's decision. Exacerbated means instigate, but in negative direction. Exacerbate means to make things worse. Exacerbated by the center's decision to withdraw high denomination currencies, foreign institutional investors have withdrawn higher denomination currency. Foreign institutional investors have sold more than 2.5 billion on Indian equity and debt holdings so far this month, compared with about 1.5 billion they offloaded through October. Offloaded means unload, उतारना, धीरे धीरे कम करना. With the demonetization move infusing मतलब देना, अंदर डालना, a surge of liquidity into the banking system, domestic interest rates are expected to decline, making the rupee less attractive to investors seeking to benefit from an interest rate arbitrage. Arbitrage means कोई भी जो dispute को settle करे, arbitrage. And with consumption and broader economic activity predicted to a hit on account of the shortage of cash in the wake of currency move, GDP growth may slow sharply. that in turn could weaken overseas investor appetite for rupee assets. Appetite means a natural desire to satisfy and natural desire, especially appetite, भूख को भी कहते हैं, भूख लगना है ना, तो appetite for rupee asset. The task before policymaker and the monetary policy committee is this is to set to meet on December 7 is week before the Federal Open Market Committee rate decision will be reassure market investor that India's economy remain robust. Robust means strong, majboot, good condition. So that's for today, friends. I hope you are liking my videos. Bye bye.